Hi, Rich Pesqueda with Lopez & Lopez Realtors. Do you ever wonder how much equity you've built up in your home? A lot of people don't realize just how much equity they have right now, and you might be in for a pleasant surprise when you find out. Check this out. Americans are sitting on a tremendous amount of equity today. The two green parts of this chart shows about 2/3 of homeowners have at least 50% equity right now. Here's why that's such a big deal. When you sell, you can use the equity to help buy your next home. You might have enough to cover some, if not all, of your down payment. Actually, depending on how much equity you have, you could potentially pay for your next home in cash. If you're worried about affordability today, this may be just what you needed to feel more confident about your next move. If you want to know how much equity you've got and learn some tips on how to use it, I'm here to help. I can create a professional equity assessment report just for you. It'll show you how much equity you have and how it can help you get ready for your next move. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and contact me today. I look forward to speaking with you.